Hi guys, let's look at how you can display items in combo box or in this manner. Like for example, if you look at this one here, I can be in a position to have objects displayed. Like for example, I can choose Thursday. See now, I can be in a position to see that one. Can also be in a position to see something like Friday that way. So in nutshell, I would wish to take you through how you can do this, how you can come up with a list of objects in a drop-down list that is in Microsoft Access. Therefore basically we can just go to a blank Microsoft database. Then I show you how to go about it. Therefore you just hit on this point here, you hit on form design. Then once you hit on form design like that, you can make this form smaller in size. Therefore you just need it to be such size, that way or that size. Then you go to property sheet, you go to all when form is selected here. Therefore you go when form is selected there. Therefore set this one pop-up yes, and also model yes, that is model yes. Then from there, after doing that, you can also, for example, assign this one a color, like can assign that one. Therefore when you run it, there we are, ladies and gentlemen, you see what I have. Therefore this is what I have, and therefore I just go to design view again. This name here, you can change that one, that name there. So you can just have the name. This is the caption here, the caption. Therefore this one you can just call it drop down list, that way, drop down list. And therefore you see now our form is drop down list. Therefore when I click on it, you see it displays drop down list. Therefore you change it in the caption. Then from there, let's go to the activity of the day. We want to do a list of items. Therefore you just go to this point. When you are in design, you get this gadget here, you get this guy, you call it combo box. Therefore you hit on it, then you can draw it comfortably to where you want. Therefore there are two methods of doing it. You may opt to do it personally. Therefore I want the combo box to get no, you just cancel this. I will show you two methods. Therefore you cancel that, then you customize your combo box as you wish. Therefore here I want this one to be something, choose a day. Therefore you are choosing a day there. Therefore this one you can just reduce it a bit. Therefore you are choosing a day, give this one color white, go to this point, give it white, that way, and bold. Therefore you are choosing a day. Therefore just take a label just for display. Therefore days of the week, that is the title of this. Therefore go to format, text, I give it white, I increase this one something like 16. Therefore, and then this is what I want now. Therefore you just hit on the combo box, this one, then you just go to this point here. Therefore you go to data when combo is selected here. Therefore what you need to do, you just go to this point here, that is the row source. Therefore you just go to the row source, and then you type your days of the week. Like for example, I may have to type this one. Therefore I start with Monday, and let's Sunday. Just copy this, just copy that. Then you have your semicolon. I want to copy this so that I can do it faster. Therefore I paste, then this is Monday, that is Monday. You paste, this is Tuesday, then I go ahead, I paste Wednesday, Then after Wednesday, we usually have Thursday for paste. This is Thursday. Then we have Friday, and then lastly Saturday. We have Saturday. There we are. Then in this point here we choose value list. Here you choose value list instead of whatever was there. Therefore, after having done that, you can just save this one. Let's save it. Save and go to home and run. There we are, guys. There we are. You see now I have been in a position to set the days of the week in a drop down list. Alternatively, you can just opt to use a simple method. Like for example, let me just add something here. Like now we can have something different. Like let me just go to design view. I use another example. Then I just need to have a combo box. Therefore I just have this one. This is the simplest method of doing it. Therefore I draw another combo there. Then this time round I go to this point. I type in the values that I want. Therefore I just go to next. Then now you type whatever you want here. Like for example, I have Impreza, I have Subaru, Forester. Let me say Forester, and I have something like Legacy, and then for example we have Forester, Legacy, such. Then on the other hand, you can just have Corolla, something, and then something like Honda. You can have something like Suzuki, Isuzu. Good. Then you just go to next, then finish. Then this time around you opt to adjust this one and give it whatever you want. Like for example, we want to have car category there. Then change this one to a vivid color format. I give it white, I give it bold, like that. Then this one's just give it red color. Then from there I save my work, go to this point, home, done. Therefore guys, you can see for yourself, this one is also working wonderfully. Like now you see I have accomplished the same using a wizard. Therefore I would advise you to use any method that you like, but this one, second one, is easier. Therefore if I go back to design view here, I click on this, you'll notice that it has automatically populated this one here, just like I would have typed. You see now this one's, if I needed to add more here, you can still add from here by putting on semicolon. Then like for example we can add something else like fuso, like fuso, that way. You see now if I save that and go to my stuff here, I go to my stuff here, view, then here you see now I have added the fuso here. Therefore you can manipulate drop down lists that way by use of combo box without much struggle. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed for me, and also you can ask any question regarding the lessons. Therefore, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next sessions.